Do you want to gain confidence in pitching your entrepreneurial ideas and learn how to think creatively? Welcome to the Stu Clark High School Pitch Workshop, where you will have the opportunity to listen, learn, and do.
They walk you through how to create an effective 90-second elevator pitch, and then you have about an hour and a half to create a pitch with a group of 5 people, and then you get to present it, and there's judges that'll give you feedback, what you did well, what you can work on.
It's a great opportunity and you definitely should take the risk because it's worth it. It's a great experience.
Join us for a day of learning how to craft compelling pitch, how to identify your audience, how to structure your pitch, and how to use persuasive language and visuals effectively.
My favorite part is when we get split into our groups and we're just discussing all of our different ideas and how we could morph them into something better.
It's a great opportunity. You can use this in presenting to your class or talking to your friends. It's got so many applications.
The feedback you receive at our workshop will be invaluable, helping you to gain communication skills that you can use in your everyday life.
There's a lot of new things that you never thought you would have learned, and new ideas and concepts that you wouldn't have just learned in your normal business class.
If you are a student that is watching, just go for it. You are going to love it. It's a good energy and you're going to enjoy it.
Are you ready to take your pitching skills to the next level? Apply now